What's good, Stock Informer crew? Welcome to the ultimate market showdown. Stocks are swinging, and we're breaking it down. New here? Smash subscribe, hit the bell, and join the fight. It's Tuesday, April 22, 2025, 8:46 a.m. PDT, and Wall Street's roaring back. Dow's up 2.1%, S&P 500 1.91%, Nasdaq 2.6% after Monday's bloodbath. Tesla's earnings drop tonight, Trump's torching Powell, and a strategist says U.S. stocks are toast for years. Let's unpack this chaos and lock in your next move. The cage is wild. Slaws at 238.65, up 5% today but down 40% in it. Google's at 146.568, off 29% from its high. SPY's at 528.7, COF 162.77, DFS 159.63. Monday's rout saw Dow crash 971.82 points, 2.48%, S&P 500 2.36%, Nasdaq 2.55% after Trump's Truth Social jab at Powell, calling him Mr. Too Late, a major loser. Tuesday's rebound has Tesla, Netflix, 3 meters soaring. Posts on X say Dow gained 573 points, S&P 500 1.5%, Nasdaq 1.8%. But Societe Generale's Alain Bokobza, who nailed the end of U.S. exceptionalism, warns Trump's tariffs could tank U.S. assets for years. S&P's down 15% since February, dollar index 9%. 2 weeks ago, a 90-day tariff pause sparked a 3,000-point Dow rally, S&P's best day since 2008, but Thursday's 145% China tariffs crushed stocks 3.5%. Last week, S&P 500 fell 1.5%, Dow and Nasdaq 2.6%. Trump's Fed feud is fire. Polls holding rates, warning tariffs spike inflation, slow growth. Trump's post called for rate cuts or polls head, escalating fears of Fed meddling. Goldman Sachs pegs recession odds at 45%, Moody's at 60%, S&P's 18.9% drop hasn't priced in a full crash. Tesla's earnings are make or break. Q1 deliveries down 13%, Musk's White House role tanking demand. JPMorgan slashed Tesla's estimates, citing unprecedented brand damage. Capital One's $35 billion Discover merger, approved Friday, creates a $637.8 billion credit card beast, but a $100 million Discover fine for overcharges stings. Nvidia's 7% drop tied to a $5.5 billion China chip ban hit tech. AMD fell 7%. Treasury Secretary Bessent says China's holding treasuries, but 10-year yields at 4.4% signal debt fears. Gold hit $3,430 Monday, a record, as the dollar's Bloomberg gauge fell to a 15-month low. Euro at 1.15, yen at 140.5. Bitcoin's near $91,000, decoupling from stocks. Trumponomics is a brawl. 1 for 5 China tariffs, 125% Beijing counterstrikes, 25% car taxes, 10% baseline levies killed earnings guidance. Delta bailed, Walmart's Q1 hurt. Pulta Group says tariffs at $5,000 to home prices. Yale pegs import taxes at 27% from 2.5%, fueling 6.7% inflation. 1981 vibes. Fed surveys show manufacturing tanking. Richmond's index at -13, Philly's non-manufacturing at -42.7, lowest since 2020. Your move? SLA earnings could spark a rally if bad news is baked in. Google Alphabet's next. COF, DFS merger lifts, but dollars dive bites. SPY by the dip or trap. Gold at $3,430, Bitcoin at 91K. Safe havens? Recession odds, Trump's Fed feud say stay sharp. Fight smart, crew, this market's a beast. That's the bell.